In this video, we're going to take a look at two templates, the multi-person formatting template and also the Add Me button template at SharePointDashboards.com. We'll start with the multi-person formatting template, and this is just to provide a nicer formatted view of a multi-person field in your SharePoint list. So I've got a SharePoint list with no formatting yet applied, and I've got a field which I called people. This is a standard SharePoint person field. I have enabled the option to allow for multiple people, and that's specifically what this template is for. In order to use this, you do need to get your formatting set the way you like it. You should investigate the themes. It'll give you some different ideas. And once you're satisfied with the color options, you should be good to go. Note also there is an inline edit option. If you like the ability for users to edit these fields directly from the list view, you'll want to have that option enabled. Otherwise, you should uncheck that box. And then you can adjust the padding as well, to save space. So let's go ahead and apply this according to the settings I have selected. So we just want to follow the instructions in the box, click OK, and then I'm going to go over here and go to column settings, format this column, select all, paste, and save. Okay, there's my people field. Notice also when I hover over the field, because I have the inline edit option selected, I can click into it, and if I want, I can add more names that way. So that's an option that you can use. And that's all that you need to know in order to use that template. This is a lot better than just the plain looking output that we get by default with a multi-person field. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the second template. This is the Add Me button. So the idea here is that we want to allow users to simply click a button in a list view to have their name added to the list of names in the field that we specify. So you do need to indicate that field. My person field is called people. So I just fill that in, and then you can customize the text that's going to appear as far as what happens when you have an add mode or remove mode. So it's going to dynamically detect whether the user is already in that list. So I'm going to stick with the defaults for that. And just like the last one, I can copy the template and follow the instructions in the pop-up box. And then I'm ready to go over to SharePoint, go to the column header, column settings, format this column, advanced mode. Then I can replace my code and hit save. And now this button is connected up to the people field. We can try out the functionality. So it says add me right now, so I can click that, and there, my name just got added to the list. Notice now that my name is in the list, the button has changed. It detects that, and the functionality will switch. So maybe I want to reverse that. I want to remove my name back off of this list. I can just click it again, and now my name's gone, and it reverts back to its original state. So it's a very simple concept to understand. You can customize the words that appear. If you don't want to use the words add me and remove me, you could do something like sign up or take me off, whatever you like to do there. And then, of course, as I mentioned, you can customize the look and feel all kinds of different ways. So these are two templates you can find at SharePointDashboards.com. These are part of a subscription which includes, as of this video, 177 different formatting templates that you can apply to your SharePoint lists. Good luck!